Hello everybody. So today another day of our challenge, and I will continue playing with pipelines, with configuration. So let me move to our browser. I will start another timer, so 20 minutes. So what I would like to test, it's how our connection based on the identity federation will behave if I will have the different branch. So let me clear the terminal, and I will create git maybe I will git branch, git checkout -b test def branch, and I will push, of course, origin test def branch. And okay, let's see what will happen in our workflow and our actions. Okay, our action is triggered from the new branch. And here in our connection, if I will go into Microsoft Enter ID and into app registrations, I will choose that one. Here I have that subject identifier. So here it's not visible really here, but I defined that oh, maybe that way. So yeah, that's it. That subject trigger, it runs on main branch. So here, yes, what I got is that my matching record found for no matching federated identity record found for subject test dev branch. Please check your federated identity credential subject, audience, and issuer against the presented assertion. So maybe let's try if we can configure that in more elastic way. Okay, consent right. Yes. So, or maybe let's try. Please enter the details of your GitHub Actions workflow. Okay. So organization, my organization, VM start stop. Branch tag pull request. Okay. EMS test con. Okay. I will retrigger the workflow to see if the connection can be can run successfully. Now, not of course cancel workflow, because for main branch it will run, but our case is to run for the another branch. We run workflow. It's not cancelled. Cancel workflow. Okay. Let's see here, test branch. I will drink coffee a little bit. No, you always need to drink coffee during coding. So, okay, let's see. Because thanks to this, I will be able to trigger or to handle a single pipeline, single connection, deployment of the resources for different branches, and I can create a scenario where I'm doing the changes on the development branch or feature branch, whatever, and it's automatically deployed into the development environment. Oh no, it failed. Okay, no magic federated. Subject claim. Okay. Always we can probably configure that manually. Based on the GitHub context, however, sometimes pretty custom support the exact one branch. Yeah. To filter for a specific environment to access the whole repo. Okay. The subject claim includes the environment name when the job refers to the environment. You can configure a subject for that filters for a specific environment name. In this example, the workflow run must have originated from a job that has an environment named production in a repository named its own. Okay. Let's see this. The action role is to verify whether the current subject aligns with the subject configuratory of array. Okay. DD environment. Okay, pattern matching isn't supported for branches and tags. Specify an environment. So this is the answer for our questions. For entity type, select environment, branch, pull request, or tag, and specify the value. The values must exactly match the configuration, the GitHub workflow. GitHub workflow. Pattern matching isn't supported for branches and tags. Specify an environment if your on-push workflow runs against many branches or tags. More info, read the example. So if you would like to deploy against different branches and tags, you need to define environments. Okay, so for jobs tied to an environment named production. On push branches main. Okay. Environment example. GitHub environment. Okay. Okay, so we need to think how to okay, just thinking for now. Environment. No. Environment that jobs references. All development protection rules must pass before a job referencing the environment is sent to runner. Using environments for deployments. Okay. The environments are used to describe the general deployment area, production, staging, development. So yeah, thanks to environments, you can classify what part of your deployment are used for production deployments, which parts are for development, and so on. Okay, deployment protection rules require specific conditions to pass before a job referencing the environment can proceed. You can use deployment protection rules to require manual approval, delay job, restrict environment to certain branches. Yeah, so for example, we cannot deploy, we can restrict that we cannot deploy to production with not main branch. So let's see, creating environment. I can, when I will go into my repository, I can go into settings, environments, and I will follow the convention that for the development dev environment name, and for production PRD. So one will be dev. Deployment protection rules required. So, okay. No, for now to bypass. Okay. Deployment branches and tags, which can deploy to this environment based on the rules and main patterns. Okay, so for now that's okay. Environment, new environment, and PRD. And here for PRD environment, I will restrict that selected branches. So main. Name, okay. Yes, so we have already that only one branch can deploy to the production. And here, okay, we already configured, and now we need to use the environment. Each job in workflow can refer a single environment. Any protection rules configured for the environment must pass before job referencing the environment is sent to runner. So yeah, environment is defined on the job level. So we need to split our deployment into separate jobs. So here in my, I will close that terminal. So deploy dev here, environment dev, maybe I will move that here. Okay, so now yes, we have that job deploy dev, and I will copy that job and okay, we need to align that a little bit. So and deploy PRD with PRD, and I will remove the not used part. So you can see that for in the future we can simplify that workflow based on here we have almost the same code for deployment. But for now, let's try to git status, git add commit, add environments, and split workflow to deployment for workflow, and git push, and let's see what will happen. Of course, we haven't configured our identity federation for that. So maybe I will add another credential, GitHub action with here one will be one for the production environment and one for the development. So organization who, let's VM start stop environment dev, and here VMS sub deployment dev. I will copy that and I will add another credential for production. Environment PRD, and here PRD. I will remove those two unused. Okay, so let's see what happened in action. Of course, everything that didn't work. So yeah, let's rerun the workflow with the new configuration. Oh, I pushed that or not? But yeah, I pushed. We have okay. What happened there? This job failed. Let's see what failed exactly. Okay, it looks like it's trying to log in into Azure. Oh yeah, we have successfully logged in we logged into Azure. Boom, boom, boom. We need to wait a little bit. And you can see that everywhere I'm trying to follow the same convention, def, PRD for naming, and for another part of project also. I will try to follow everywhere where it's possible to follow the naming convention for the resources. Let's wait a second. It's deploying. Boom, boom, boom. Oh yeah, already installed AC module. We already out of time, but let's wait a second. If it will work. Oh, it takes today so long. I don't know why. You know, a Friday afternoon. Oh yeah, it deployed successfully. Oh, okay, so let's wait until the workflow will stop working. Okay, its status is failure because of that PRD. This job failed. Maybe okay, but yeah, for dev we already got the deployment. Yeah, so it's okay. But in the next episode we will try to fix that production issue. So thanks for today. Tomorrow we'll continue that topic, fixing that connections and trying to separate the production and development environment during deployment. And I think that in the next video we will finish that. So have a nice day and see you tomorrow with the next video. See ya.